This presentation series highlights AI Score's alignment to the key AI literacy principles of safe, ethical, and effective implementation, based on the C framework from AI for Education. This video will walk you through AI Score's effective practices so that you can confidently integrate it into your classroom's writing routine. Our priority is ensuring our platform operates as a highly specialized, purposeful tool that genuinely augments student learning. In this short video, we will describe how our tool was designed to support effective generative AI use, including when to and not to use the tool, how we avoid cognitive offloading, the way our team handles prompting behind the scenes, and the continuous evaluation and reflection that makes this tool work. Unlike many of the other AI educational tools, AI Score was intentionally created for one specific purpose: progress monitoring. Our underlying AI model has been trained by writing researchers to do an exceptionally good job at providing targeted feedback and writing scores that document growth over time. In traditional writing assessments, a student's true writing growth is often confounded and compounded by other challenges, like reading comprehension issues or struggles with specific content knowledge. While there are other AI educational tools that offer writing feedback, AI Score's model is uniquely trained to look past those confounding factors to isolate and evaluate written expression and structural growth. The system is designed to be a tool that supports you in making data-based instructional decisions, not a way to offload teacher expertise or student critical thinking skills. A major concern with the use of AI in writing is cognitive offloading. Traditional large language models are able to generate full essays for students, which completely removes the learning process. AI Score is engineered with strict guardrails to prevent this type of cognitive offloading. Our student-facing writing coach, Oscar, is explicitly coded so it will never do the writing for your students. Instead, Oscar's role is to act as a guide, asking prompting questions that push students to think through their own writing choices. To help students interact with Oscar effectively, our team has developed a downloadable PDF that has sentence stems and example questions for students to reference as they interact with Oscar. While teachers and students do not need advanced prompt engineering skills to use AI Score, our research and development team is constantly managing these complexities behind the scenes. Our team continually evaluates the system by asking critical questions like, does the tool have enough context, detail, and direction to give a useful output? Is the tool being refined so that its output meets our defined goals? What is necessary to include in the training so that the tool works effectively? AI Score was created to support struggling writers. Our system was intentionally trained on writing samples that included students with learning disabilities and other struggling learners. We carefully consider the length, depth, and focus of the feedback to ensure it is perceived positively and constructively by our student users. While the automated feedback inside the platform is not directly editable, we built a system where teachers can flag feedback that hits the mark and feedback that misses it. Our developers use these data for continuous model refinement. The true effectiveness of AI Score relies entirely on the human aspect of writing instruction. Without you, the tool is limited. As you use AI Score on your bi-weekly schedule, we encourage you to use the generated data to directly drive your classroom instruction. The AI's role is simply to make processing that student data more streamlined, consistent, and frequent. Reflection should be a recurring conversation in your classroom. You, as teachers, should regularly ask yourselves if the tool is meeting your instructional needs. Notice if and how your routines are shifting, and how you are communicating AI Score's feedback to your students beyond what they see on the screen. Reflecting on AI use is also important for students. Teach your students to reflect on how they are growing as writers and how Oscar is supporting them. Thinking through how their perspective of high-quality writing changes over time ensures that the AI is augmenting their learning process rather than doing the learning for them. We encourage our participating teachers to share these reflections with our research team. Your insights are essential as we continue to improve the tool, refine the model, and deepen the ways AI Score serves your writing goals. AI Score is designed to support teachers in assessing writing and use those data to drive their instruction. On the student side, the just-in-time coaching from Oscar and immediate feedback provide them with the real-time feedback and actionable insights that are so important in improving writing outcomes. But the most important element of the system is the instruction from and relationship with the teacher. AI Score cannot replace that. The real writing growth happens between the assessment cycle. Regular and data-informed instruction delivered by you, the teacher, is what moves the needle. Effective implementation of any AI, but particularly AI Score, is reliant on an actively engaged teacher who is consistently reflecting on their tool use and modeling these behaviors for their students. By pairing our highly trained, specialized model with active teacher data driven instruction and student reflection, we ensure that AI score serves as an incredibly effective asset for writing growth.